Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's find the apps and notifications. Now let's tap on Advanced and tap on Special Access. And right here all we have to do is to tap on Install Unknown Apps, and as you can see this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So of course you can change it, and let's tap on the Chrome for example and tap on the switcher. After getting back you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.